I'm Amanda, and this is our paraprofessional video, day 1. We're doing skills and knowledge. This is actually video 8, though. We're going to talk about clauses and phrases, and we're also going to talk about sentence types. So let's start with clauses and phrases. So clauses and phrases are the building blocks of sentence structure. So we have the first one is an independent clause. So these are a group of words that can be independent. It can stand on its own as a complete sentence because it has a subject, verb, and expresses a complete thought. Remember, subject is a noun or a pronoun, and a verb is action. And there's no extra words that make it to where it needs more information, so it's a complete thought. Let's look at an example here. Emilio ate 10 tamales. So what's our subject? Emilio. What did Emilio do? He ate. Ate what? 10 tamales. That's so much. So we have a complete thought here. We don't need more information. Emilio ate 10 tamales. That is an independent clause. A dependent clause cannot stand on its own. It must be linked to an independent clause. It will contain a subject and a verb, but it does not express a complete thought, making it unable to stand as a complete sentence by itself. So you know you're looking at a dependent clause when it usually starts with a key word, meaning it needs more information. Let's look at an example here so we understand what this means. Because he was hungry. So let's start with finding our subject. He. He is our subject. That's a pronoun. What did he do? He was. Okay? Was is our action. That's our verb. What is our keyword that makes us need more information? Because. We start with the word because, so that means we need more information here. That's what makes it a dependent clause. Because he was hungry, it is not a complete sentence. It needs more information. We also have what's called a phrase. So this is a group of words that may contain a noun and a verb, but does not have the noun doing the verb. Phrases make up clauses or can be added to clauses to form complete sentences. So let's look. Working from 9 to 5. So where are our nouns? 9 and 5, those are nouns. What's our verb? Working. So 9 to 5, are they working? No, they are not working. Okay, so this is a phrase. Okay, the 9 to 5 is not working. So we can put those three together. Our independent clause, Emilio ate 10 tamales. Our dependent clause, because he was hungry, after our phrase, working from 9 to 5. So our new sentence becomes, Emilio ate 10 tamales because he was hungry after working from 9 to 5. So now we have sentence types. Being able to mix up sentence types and use a variety of sentence styles helps keep the reader engaged. So we have a simple sentence. This just means one independent clause. Sam baked cookies. Perfect simple sentence here. You can have a compound sentence with more than one independent clause linked together with two ways. Number one, conjunction and comma, or number two, a semicolon. Remember what our semicolon looks like. That's just the dot, the period over a comma, okay? Hard to see with my blur. So you can do either one. You can do a comma, conjunction, or a semicolon. Sam baked cookies and Dana baked a cake. That is a compound sentence. Now we have a complex sentence. That's one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. To prepare for the upcoming bake sale, Sam baked cookies and Dana baked a cake. That is called a complex sentence. Our last type here is a compound complex sentence. It's multiple independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. For example, to prepare for the upcoming bake sale, Sam baked cookies and Dana baked a cake. However, they forgot to buy more flour. So we have three independent clauses. Sam baked cookies, Dana baked a cake, they forgot to buy more flour. We also have one independent clause to prepare for the upcoming bake sale. This becomes a compound complex sentence. For my students in my online class, I want you to go to Aztec, the writing skills portion. I want you to do using compound sentences, parts and modifiers, and good sentence structure. Thank you for watching this lesson. Have a good rest of your day.